Agency spokesman Sutopo Purwo Nugroho said the volcano early on Sunday belched a thick plume of grey smoke up to 2,500 meters into the sky, which was then blown northeast. White smoke was seen billowing from the crater after the eruption. Authorities raised the warning alert to the highest level on November the 27th and ordered the evacuation of nearly 100,000 people. Nugroho said international airports on the resort islands Bali and Lombok were operating normally. The 30-31-meter Mount Agung last erupted for a period of almost a year in 1963 and 1964, leaving about 1,200 people dead. Indonesia sits on the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, an area known for seismic upheavals and volcanic eruptions.